back, Mama. You got anything? Welcome to a new vlog. I am currently folding up some laundry. It is laundry day. I just put Aaliyah's load in the wash. I think fall is in the air, you guys. It's very crispy. The leaves are falling. It's supposed to rain a little bit later today. I want to make a pumpkin bread with you guys, and I also want to make a pumpkin iced coffee, well, like pumpkin cold foam iced coffee situation. We will do that a little bit later, but I just wanted to say hey and start a new vlog. Just pretty much tell you guys what I'm doing. We woke up, I fed Aaliyah, changed her, you know, put her in her onesie. We went outside, and that's when, you know, it just felt just like fall. I'm gonna do a quick skincare routine. We are going to take Aaliyah to the park. So I'm using this Dermasil Hyaluronic Acid Toning Solution. It's really good, and it just keeps your face really refreshed. And that's typically what I do nowadays. I typically just go in with a nice toner. So next I'm going to go in with the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Dew Drops. These are really good. I'm coming, baby. And then this is the Watermelon Pink Dream Body Cream. I'm going to use this as well. And the perfume for the day is going to be this Kim K duo with her mom. I'm going to get Aaliyah ready, and we'll see you at the park. You want the rest of your bottle? Ugh. Let's go. You with your pappy? You with your pappy? Girl, you smiling at mommy. Yeah. Thank you.